My child, I am Jesus, the Son of the living God. I came that you may have life, and have it more abundantly. John 10 verse 10. Today, I speak prosperity over your life, not the kind that fades with time, but the divine kind that multiplies peace, provision, and purpose. I declare over your life, you shall be the head and not the tail. You shall rise and never fall. Whatever your hands touch will prosper, because I, the Lord your God, am with you. Did I not say in Deuteronomy 28 verse 12, I will open the heavens, the storehouse of my bounty, to bless all the work of your hands? You will not beg for bread. You will not borrow in sorrow. You will lend in abundance. The drought in your finances is over. The famine in your home is broken. Your cup shall overflow, for my word says, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalm 23 verse 1. Remember Abraham. I blessed him and made him a great nation, Genesis 12 verse 2. Remember Isaac. He sowed in famine and reaped 100-fold, Genesis 26 verse 12. Remember Jacob. He came to Laban's house with a staff, and left with herds and servants. Remember Joseph. Sold into slavery, yet I lifted him to rule in Egypt. Remember David. From shepherd boy to king, I made his name great. My child, I am the same yesterday, today, and forever, Hebrews 13 verse 8. If I prospered them, I can prosper you. I declare. Your business shall grow. Your ideas shall attract favor. Your skills shall open doors kings cannot close. You shall find streams in the desert, because I am the living water. Proverbs 10 verse 22 says, the blessing of the Lord makes rich and adds no sorrow. Therefore, sorrow will not mix with your wealth. Peace will live in your prosperity. Joy will dance around your harvest. Every chain that held your resources captive, be broken in my name. Every delay to your destiny, be destroyed by my power. I command restoration to everything stolen, opportunities, money, health, relationships, and dreams. Hear my word in Joel 2 verse 25, I will restore to you the years the locust has eaten. You will laugh again. You will rise again. You will prosper again. When you honor me with your first fruits, I will honor you with open heavens. When you trust me in little, I will give you much. I blessed the widow of Zarephath when she gave her last meal. I multiplied the loaves and fishes in the hands of a child. I turned water into wine at a wedding, because I delight in overflow. So today, I declare, overflow is your portion. You will not just survive, you will thrive. You will not live in lack, you will live in abundance. Your barns will be filled with plenty, and your vats will overflow with new wine, Proverbs 3 verse 10. Your children shall inherit favor. Your name will open doors long after you are gone. You are blessed to be a blessing. Like Abraham, nations will rise because of your obedience. I, Jesus, speak a hedge of divine increase around you. Where others see impossibility, you will see miracles. Where they see failure, you will see harvest. Because your life is hidden in me, and I never fail. My child, lift your hands now. Receive my word, you are anointed for wealth with purpose. Your light will shine before men, that they may glorify your Father in heaven, Matthew 5 verse 16. You are not forgotten. You are chosen for greatness. Walk boldly into your destiny. Speak life into your dreams. And remember, prosperity is not just what you have, but who you become in me. I am Jesus, your shepherd, your provider, your friend. And I bless you now with peace, favor, and supernatural